What is a audiophile? You tell me. Audiophile is a snooty person that is usually very broke. Okay, they take something like this, like a brand like AudioFrog, right? And Robot will make a brand called AudioFag. Okay, but many Americans get offended by this, so he reserved also AudioHomo, okay, because that's what you are. You are homo, you are gay, and it's okay. Everybody's gay, at least with their brother or their cousin or the father or whatever, so it's fine. So Audiophile make regular product, but then something weird. All right, so that you say, this is weird, and I want to be different, and I want to act like I know something more than other people. All right, like I own 2002 BMW 3 Series. It is a piece of shit, but it is better than your Honda or your Hyundai or whatever you say. Okay. So that is what AudioFag is, and I believe it. It is very good. This is what is known as faux Kevlar. This is faux carbon fiber. Both are glass fiber, which is really just fiberglass, like Pink Panther, like that. So, but these woofers, they are pretty good. So they are still better than, JL audio, not the Gizlama, but, like the other JL, okay? They are very good, like a W6, okay? And handle 850, maybe 900 watts. 3-inch voice coil copper. These are made here in Arizona. It's so gross. I'm only here in wintertime because it's very nice and it's less expensive than California, okay? Don't fall in love with California. It will fuck you. Californication right in your eye, okay? That's what I say. But this is an audiophile series. I have Robot set it for me as AudioFag, okay? And you can look at AudioFrog and then see for yourself, oh, it's just generic. And then they put a little decal on it. And it's $800. Oh my God. It's crazy. This is only, how do you say? $150. Ha, I give to you. My gift. $150. It's very good price. Shipped maybe $35 each for Konas. Okay? And so what is that? That is $185 each shipped for American made, Arizona made, whatever. Product, very good. Compared to JL Audio W6, which costs $800. That's like what, 600 euros? That's what I'm telling you. It's a ripoff, all right? They're sticking you in the butthole, all right? Which is fine if you're gay, if you're AudioFag. That's me, AudioHomo, same thing, AudioHomo.com, okay? That's what I'm saying. You understand? Okay, so Robot, talk to him and say, please take my money. I want to be snobby, want to be rich piece of shit, and buy this subwoofer. And Robot will say, fine, send the Cash App, okay? Because there are so many sneaky motherfuckers. You have to use Cash App. You can also send the Bitcoin, because motherfuckers are sleazy. That's what I'm saying, okay? You understand? All right. AudioFrog? No. AudioFag. Yes. Oui. That's what I say.